Ever thought about how your hard work on your dissertation can really make a splash in your field? Today, we're going to show you just how to do that. We're uncovering the best ways to make sure your research doesn't just get noticed, but really makes a difference. Stick around as we dive into the secrets of making your research work shine. Hey there, welcome back to Writer's ER. If you're looking to give your research that extra edge, you're in the right spot. And hey, don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button for more awesome tips like these. Let's kick things off with a simple truth. Your research is important, but it's all about how you share it with the world. You've got to make it clear and interesting. That means cutting down on the tough words and making the hard stuff easy to get. First up, make sure you lay out your findings in a way that's easy to follow. Start with the big stuff, the things that really matter, and then get into the nitty-gritty. This helps your readers get the big picture first and then understand the details. But here's the real deal. You've got to show why your research is a game changer. Don't just throw out facts and figures. Tell us why they matter. How are they going to change things? How can they be used in the real world? This is what turns your work from a bunch of data into something that can really stir things up. Next, focus on your abstract and summary. These are like your research's handshake, the first impression. Make them pop. They should grab people's attention and make them want to dive deeper into your work. Now let's talk visuals. Things like charts and graphs aren't just pretty pictures. They can show your point in a snap, but keep them clear and to the point. Storytelling isn't just for novels. Use it in your research too. Share the journey of your work, the ups and downs, the breakthrough moments. It makes your work stick in people's minds. Getting out there and mingling is key. Share your stuff at conferences, talk to other researchers, get feedback. It's all about making connections and spreading your ideas. Publishing is a no-brainer, but think outside the box too. Blogs, videos, online talks, these are great ways to get your work out to even more people. And don't forget social media. It's not just for cat videos. Platforms like LinkedIn and Twitter are great for sharing your research and chatting with other experts. But it's a two-way street share, but also listen and engage. As we wrap this up, remember the most exciting part. Your research can really shake things up. By sharing your findings well, you're not just adding to the conversation, you're steering it. You're sparking new ideas, opening new doors, and maybe even changing how we see the world. Before we go, I've got a question for you. What's your go-to move for getting your research out there? Drop your thoughts in the comments. Let's chat about it. And hey, if you liked what you heard today, give us a like and don't forget to subscribe for more. We're here to help you make your research journey not just successful, but impactful. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time for more tips on making your academic writing and research stand out.